Wake up, you bald piece of crap.
Ugh, what do you want, Dad?
Rosie, it's time to go to school.
Man, I hate school.
Hey Gilu.
Oh hey Leo.
What's wrong?
Oh nothing, just a bit tired.
Hey, the bus is here.
Good morning, class. Today we will be doing some math.
Man, I hate this school. I just wish there is a way out of here. I know I'll pull the fire alarm. Miss Martin, can I use the restroom?
Sure thing, Rosie.
This is my chance to upcase this stupid school. Ha 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 ha.
Attention everyone, there is a fire. Go home early.
Here is my chance.
Hey kids, why are you home early?
There was a fire at school today.
We are so sorry this happened. Anyway, let's watch TV.
Hello and welcome to GNN News. Our top story is someone pulled the fire alarm even though there was no fire. Let's take it to the scene of the crime.
Well, I was going to the store, and then I saw Rosie running away from the school. Wait a minute, I think it was Rosie who pulled the fire alarm. Rosie, if you're watching this, I hope you get grounded.
That little girl deserves to get grounded. More after this ad.
Rosie, how dare you pull the fire alarm?
That's it.
You are grounded for 7,634,812,342,164,164,216 years.
Go to your room now.
Wah 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 wah.